Welcome dear students in your physics class. Today we are going to discuss the concept free fall. Dear students, before this we have already learned and understood about the concept related with universal law of gravitation. In that concept we understood that in all the massive body there is a tendency to attract another massive body. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं, एक ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है like this. What will be the velocity of this object? Is there any acceleration? Why the object is moving in the downward direction? Just because of the earth gravitation force. Earth is attracting the object in downward direction. Okay, so what do you mean by the free fall? Answer is, when a body falls freely towards the earth, then the motion of the body is said to be free fall. जब भी कोई बॉडी फ्रीली अर्थ के ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स में डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करती है, then the body motion is said to be free fall. Student, while falling there is no change in the direction of the motion because object is continuously moving in the downward direction, but due to earth attraction force there will be a change in the magnitude of the velocity because अर्थ का ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स कंटिन्यूसली वर्क कर रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, सो टाइम के साथ साथ वेलोसिटी के मैग्नीट्यूड में चेंज होता है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलोसिटी इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इट हैज बोथ मैग्नीट्यूड प्लस डायरेक्शन. सो if the direction is constant but the magnitude is continuously changing with time, and if the magnitude is continuously changing with time, it means velocity is changing. If velocity is changing with time, then there will be an acceleration, and this acceleration is due to the earth gravitation force. That is why this acceleration is known as the acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted by small g, and its unit is same as another acceleration, that is meter per second square. Now another concept is, what is the relation between small g and capital G? What is small g? Acceleration due to gravity. What is capital G? Universal gravitational constant. So for this, let us consider m is the mass of the earth. M is the mass of the earth, and capital R is the radius of the earth. As you can see here, capital M is the mass of the earth, this is earth, and R is the radius of this earth. Okay, then an object of mass small m, small m मास का एक ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ के सरफेस पर रखा हुआ है, is placed on the surface of the earth. Okay, then what will happen? हमने यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन में पढ़ा था कि अगर आपके पास दो मैसिव ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं and if they are separated at a short distance r, then they will attract each other, and the formula will comes out F is equals to G m1 m2 upon r square. So obviously यहाँ पर भी ऑब्जेक्ट m और अर्थ के बीच में एक ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स लगेगा, and that gravitation force will be F is equals to capital G m upon, and the distance between them is r, so r square. This is our equation number 1. But according to Newton's second law of motion, we know that F is also known as F is equals to ma, and here the acceleration is g, so it will comes out F is equals to m into g. This is our equation number 2. So dear students, from equation number 1 and from equation number 2, both are the values of force, so we can equate this. So from equation 1 and equation number 2 हम दोनों values को equate करेंगे, g m upon r square, and from equation number 2 m into g. Small m से small m cancel out, the small g will comes out capital G m upon r square. So this is the relation between small g and capital G, where small g is acceleration due to gravity, capital G is universal gravitational constant, capital M is mass of the earth, and capital R is radius of the earth. The important point is what? इस फॉर्मूले में कहीं पर भी mass of the object नहीं आता है. It means the acceleration due to gravity is independent of the mass of the object. जिस ऑब्जेक्ट को आप थ्रो कर रहे हैं उस ऑब्जेक्ट्स के मास से ये इंडिपेंडेंट रहती है एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. नाउ हमने ये तो कैलकुलेट कर लिया है कि एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी g होती है, उसकी वैल्यू gm/r² होती है. बट what is the numerical value of acceleration due to gravity? So for this we will calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity. For this we know that small g is equals to gm upon r square. Okay, and the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 की power 24 kilogram. So and capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass of earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilogram. Radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. ओके, तो इन सबको एक साथ कर लेंगे. 6.67 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 अपॉन 6.4, और जितने भी 10 की पावर हैं उनको एक साथ लिखेंगे. 10 की पावर माइनस 11, 10 की पावर प्लस 24, और ये 10 की पावर प्लस 6 जब ऊपर जाएगा तो ये भी हो जाएगा 10 की पावर माइनस 6. सो व्हेन वी सॉल्व ऑल दीज थिंग्स, द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी स्मॉल g will comes out, small g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square, and this is the numerical value of acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now student, हमें तीन तरह की इक्वेशंस के बारे में पता है. वो है v is equals to u plus at, s is equals to ut plus half at square, and v square is equals to u square plus 2as. But in free fall object experience an acceleration known as acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so all the objects, hollow or solid, they move with the same acceleration, that is small g. But for upward and downward motion, suppose an object is moving in downward direction and another object is moving in upward direction. This is object A and this is object B. So what will be the equation of motion for two objects? So dear students, for upward motion, स्मॉल g की वैल्यू हम माइनस लेंगे, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी मूव करता है, ग्रेविटी डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लगती है एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो यहाँ पर g की वैल्यू आप माइनस लेंगे. फॉर डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन और डाउनवर्ड मोशन g की वैल्यू आप प्लस लेंगे, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट ग्रेविटी की डायरेक्शन में ही मूव कर रहा है. s की जगह आप यहाँ पर हाइट h को कंसीडर करेंगे, h हाइट अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड. सो द इक्वेशन विल बिकम v इज इक्वल्स टू u प्लस माइनस gt. प्लस स्टैंड्स फॉर डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, minus stands for upward direction. Second equation will comes out h is equals to ut plus minus half gt square. Third equation will comes out v square is equals to u square plus minus 2gh. So these are some equation of motion for the object which is moving under the influence of gravitational force of the earth. थैंक यू सो मच।